As we launch into the new year, you might want to check out some new trends in graphic design. New styles are emerging, and certain styles are making a huge comeback. These trends are just what you need to update your design portfolio. What's up, YouTube? It's Lucas here from Snappa, and today we're going to explore new graphic design trends that are making a splash in 2023. Let's get started. The first trend on our list is distorted text. This trend is perfect for grabbing the attention of your viewers right from the jump. You can alter the look of your favorite fonts, or you can search for a new font with unique characters. Anything that stands out to you will likely make your viewers look twice as well. Data visualization is another huge trend that we've been seeing in online branding. Consumers want to know about product specs and how companies are performing, and they want to read that data in a clean visual format. Adding visual data to your designs can be a great strategy for building consumer trust. The Y2K aesthetic is making a big comeback in the graphic design world and the fashion industry. Bright colors, shiny textures, and 3D elements are common themes that you'll notice with this trend. Whether you're looking to make a design that pops, or you're looking to create feelings of early 2000s nostalgia, this is definitely a fun trend to explore. Photography-focused branding is another trend that has proven to be effective lately. Sometimes, all you need is one or two great photos to tell your story, and you can let the visuals do the work for you. This universal trend can be applied to large billboard designs or your weekly Instagram post. Either way, a powerful photograph will definitely make a big impact. If you're looking for a fun design trend to experiment with, then you should definitely check out bubble fonts. These round, lively typefaces can add some personality to your designs, and they work great on a large scale if you want to fill up the negative space on your canvas. If you're having difficulty finding the right bubble font for your project, our recent blog post showcases a bunch of amazing bubble fonts that you can use for free. Sci-Fi themed designs are back, and they're making a big impact in the design world. Edgy fonts with high contrast backgrounds are almost impossible to ignore, and it's intriguing for viewers to see what our future might look like. Whether you're a designer in the video game industry, or you're looking to promote your new clothing line, a futuristic sci-fi themed design will definitely grab the attention of your audience. Another trend that you need to explore is hand-drawn illustrations. These elements can add an organic, welcoming feel to your designs, and they can encourage viewers to spend more time analyzing and admiring your work. We definitely understand that not all designers have the skills to draw their own custom illustrations, so if you're looking for some unique hand-drawn vectors to use, we have a great selection in Snappa that you can use for free. Well, that's all for today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.